Guys, nag-lunch kami. Ayan yung kasama kong Indonesian. Dati ko siyang kaibigan dito sa Chunwan. Ayan, sis, ano pangalan mo sis? Mahi. Ayan, sis Mahi. After 3 years? 3 years. Last time.
I think
After 3 years.
2020 alright, we last meet.
Yeah, after 3 years we met again. Ayan, from Indonesia. Ayan, my friend Mahi. Ayan, we eat together with, what is this? Ayan,
Sour and spicy noodle.
sweet and sour noodles. Noodles is not my favorite, but I try this. From Singapore?
No, from Hong Kong.
From Hong Kong. Oh. What is the... You said before you sent that restaurant, not this one?
This one.
Ah, this one. You said,
But not Singapore. You said not Singapore.
oh,
But this one not Singapore.
this is, okay. Okay, let's eat guys. Ayan, sis Mahi. Ayan, wait lang guys, kakain na kami. Diba, umpisa pa lang nalaglag na. Diba, ang sarap. Parang ang sarap niya guys. 48. This is just 48 HKD. Plus drinks, ayan. So, magkaiba pa yung drinks niya. Kain tayo guys. Guys, dahil tapos na kaming kumain, ayan si Mahi, ayan ang aking kaibigan from Indonesia. Pauwi na kami guys. Thank you for watching and bye-bye. Bye-bye.